Open your social media, and you will find those get ready with me videos and makeup tutorials are all over the place in the internet. And when vloggers editing these videos, they no longer restrict their shots using only one camera. Instead, they would utilize some great editing tips in their work to polish their video elements and make the projects more diverse. So if you have been wanting to try this, then join me for today's video and learn some useful editing tips for a beauty vlog. After you have got your beauty footage, free download the VideoProc Vlogger. Launch your software. Create a new project. Import the footage into the software. Then drag and drop it to the video track. Move the playhead. We can see the girl introducing the cosmetic brush. Then here, what we can do is to add a brand name and the products used to the image. Find the text icon in the toolbar. Click it. Adjust duration on the subtitle track. Then come to the inspector on the upper right. Edit text content. Select the font. And adjust the font size. Drag it down. In the animation area, add appear and disappear animations. In addition, add a proper text shadow to it to give it a little more definition here. When you are done, click Show or Hide Layout Rectangle. Adjust its position. Now the brand name is added. Next, let's add the product names. Find the plus icon on the far left of the subtitle track. Click it to add a new subtitle track. Copy the text you just adjusted. Paste it into the new subtitle track. Add product name in the inspector. Reduce the font size and get it smaller than the brand name. Then adjust the position in the preview window. Place it under the brand name. Now we can see, when adding the text, the image got improved. In order to include more information in the video and make it more durable, you can also use B-roll to display your products. If you don't know what a B-roll is, go to the link we put in the top right corner and check out the detailed tutorial. Well, back here, I will import a B-roll footage of a makeup brush. Move the playhead in the video track. And here in the arrow point, I want to cut to the B-roll footage. Well, all I need is to drag the video on the overlay track and align it to the playhead. In the preview window, adjust the size to cover the whole screen. Then adjust duration of the video. This will easily complete the whole chain from A-roll to B-roll and then back to A-roll. In order to let your audience see the details better while doing your makeup, creating close-up shots is something you need. But what if you didn't do any of these shots while you shoot the footage? No worries. Just move the playhead to the point where you want to create a close-up shot. Click on Split. Copy this part of the image. Paste it into the overlay track. Then adjust duration of the video. Then find the crop icon in the toolbar. In the editing window, adjust details to your own liking. Click Apply to apply the adjustment. Then click on Show or Hide Layout Rectangle. adjust the size and the position. In addition, I want to make the border between the close-up and the main image stronger. Well, find the effects icon in the top left. Click it, find the border effect, and drag it to the effect track. Now we can see both the close-ups and the main image are bordered. But this is slightly different from what I expected. Now slide to the bottom of the inspector. Uncheck this canvas in the scope area, and only enable this one. Now you will have the border only for the close-up shot. Of course, you can also adjust the size and color here until you get what you want. Let's play and see. There you have it. A stunning beauty vlog with more dynamic graphic elements and greatly improved visual effect. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope it will be helpful for you. Anyway, don't forget to click the subscribe button to subscribe our channel if you haven't yet. We'll see you soon in our next video. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye!